because you can have an unbalanced system and you have a neutral current on the back. So you can set the same concept this way. You have the over voltage, because the voltage in your line have to be stable. You can have a range, but they have to be stable. You can have under voltage or over voltage. The 119 percentage doesn't mean if you have 318 volt, 3A is 100% is a 318 volt. 90 is a 370. So this is the concept. This is the setting of the protection relay. You understand? It's very easy. No, it's not. Okay. You send, you program, and you send the relay. Okay, finish. You close. And you open again. Okay, we got to start for the first laboratory. This is a laboratory of the hydroelectrical system. Hydroelectrical system, you want to study the generator, the turbine, and the generator in general. Whatever. You have different exercises. Here you have the equipment required for this kind of lab exercise. And you have the introduction, MSCOM2 manual, the manual software manual. Instrument, operation, we start. For example, operation doesn't mean you have in this model you will learn to drive the brushless servo motor using 3 different specifics. So I explain you how you're using the brushless at the beginning. It's important. So in the manual you can see in the exercise. This is a list of exercise that for example, this is the first exercise, section 1, requirement, and this is the exercise that I propose, no? Okay, now is real time. No? I'm not sure, but okay. Okay. For example, I put the target velocity, and and the actual velocity, because it can be different. So this is the control of the turbine, of the first brushless. Torque doesn't mean now is free. When I press torque, is hard. Okay, torque is applied. And enable. Okay. I can start rotation. I can set the speed. I can set speed here. Or okay, the black one is the target, and the blue one is the actual. Because this is a brushless, I can decide the time of rising. Okay. I can go negative. But normal, the turbine, no negative. But in this case, so this is 0, the negative, and the actual. Okay, I can decide to change the ramp acceleration. For example, I put 10. 10 doesn't mean 10 secondi. 400. No, 10 doesn't mean it's a percentage. Very fast. Look, very fast. 1050. Very fast. No time. Deceleration I can put 100 is the maximum. If I put 0, very fast. Okay. You can set the profile acceleration and profile deceleration. The 0 is the slow. It's better in this lab using only slow. But if you want to study only the brushless, you can buy the set of the brushless. You have a lot of. But it's important to learn the application. Okay, here you can see the mechanical power and the actual RPM, because we set the target here 600. There is an encoder inside. This is the signal line. And this is the actual speed. There is the vibration, as you can see the movement. This is the power that the brushless need to move the shaft of the alternator. Okay. You can control using the software or analog, for example. Apply. You can go on analog.
Do it manually.
You can control by analog. And you can see the. Okay.
È come se fosse andassi in remoto, no?
There is another one that is in impulsive, but the impulsive is not good to keep joint connected with the alternator, because the impulse is just for positioning, as is not important in the lab.
Ma si può.
Sì, si può, però conviene staccarlo, perché sennò va in auto-oscillazione. Okay. You can find the teoria of the brushless, DC elettrica, okay. Okay, back. You can find the turbine here, it's the same. You can move in the turbine just to show you what's the real in the turbine. There is an animation. What happens in the hydroelectrical system? You have the water, turbine, transformer, and networking. This is the concept of the turbine, the meaning. This one is a 4-pole synchronous generator. So in Italy we have 15 Hz, and the target speed is 1,500. So my target is.
Is it sound from bearing?
This is my target. Okay, this is just to start. Now you want to study the alternator and parallel operation. So you have the student will begin in this form to get familiar with the 3-phase synchronous generator. In this exercise, the student will initiate a synchronous generator without applying any load, just bringing the nominal parameter. So this is the configuration. Okay, you have the teoria that you can read, or the parallel, the teoria, the alternator. You have the cabling, because you have to start. This is exactly cabling that have to plug. So, someone want to try to plug? Start. Someone want to try? Oh, okay.
No.